What's going on, Pokemasters? Got another couple of packs of the Mega Symphonia booster box. Working our way through it. Only have a handful of days left, and the hits have been awesome so far. We've pulled our guaranteed SAR. We've pulled 2 art rares. We've pulled the special rare trainer card. And we've pulled, I think, 3 double rares so far, which are the Mega EX cards. Houndy really likes it too, because he doesn't have to pick anything. He can just relax, hang out on the comfy furniture, and just be a model. You know, he's got it easy while we're doing this booster. He will have to work after we're done with the booster box, though. He's going to have to pick which product, which set we're going to rip into next, and he's got quite a few to choose from, so. Got a Escuice, I never know how to say that one. A Delmise, a Snuffleupagus, Kyogre, that's a cool card, and a Shuckle. Alright, second pack. Curlia, Snom, Chikorita. Again, I think the Chikorita will fit in so well. Over here, right, we have so many plants. I have no idea what that is. Some type of stopwatch. And a Ninjask. Alright, y'all. Thanks for joining today's pack rip. Houndy appreciates you being here, and we'll catch you on the next video. Boop.